Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change skin tone on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project and you can find the toolbar at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find the third button, the skin. Click that, and here you can find the 10 option, for example, and if you want to set that, just click to the white line and just pull on the blue line, and you can set the skin tone. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.